What up, y'all? Welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. For today's quickie recipe, we are getting our freak on. Not like that. Today we're going to be cooking with a whole grain called freekeh, and if you've never had it before, it's a really good one that you can swap in for other whole grains. Just a great way to add some complexity and some variety to your diet. You will love today's recipe. Is one of my go-to abundance bowls, and the bonus here is we're going to toss in some scallops for those who want a little extra protein. Check it out. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do for our abundance bowl is prep the veggie. Grab some butternut squash, and we're not gonna use the entire thing, we're just gonna use the top part of it, but don't throw it away, because no food waste. Chop it into big chunks, and then take these pieces, and then we're gonna chop these into cubes. Then we're gonna add our butternut squash to a baking tray, line with some parchment paper. Also gonna add in some onion, and then we're also gonna add in some garlic cloves, but the garlic cloves, we're actually just going to roast these, and we're gonna add these to the dressing that we're gonna make later on. Drizzle in a little bit of olive oil, and then let's get some personality going. So I've got some sea salt, some black pepper, I'm gonna add in a little bit of fennel, and some of the FitMenCook Everyday Blend. Let's get our hands dirty, mix all this together. We want all the butternut squash and the onion coated in the oil. Roast this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 420. Next, we're gonna prep our kale for our abundance bowl. All right, and then we're gonna take our kale, we're gonna roll it up the same way that we kinda would do some herbs. I want this in really small pieces. Next thing we're gonna do is prepare our freekeh. We're gonna get our freak on. You see what I did there? To a pot of water, we're gonna add some cold water. We're gonna pour in our freekeh. Once this comes to a boil, we're just going to reduce the heat and then cover and cook until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the freekeh is cooked through. Next, we're gonna fire up a nonstick skillet on medium-high heat and let this get nice and hot. And we're gonna add in our kale. And we want the color on the kale to turn a really vibrant green. To help out with that, we're just gonna add in tablespoons of water to create some more steam in the skillet. And that's gonna further help to wilt and soften the kale. And you see all of a sudden just how vibrant it becomes. And we don't want to cook past this color. So take this off the heat and add this to our mixing bowl. And you can place this in the fridge to cool down as the rest of the things begin to cook. And now for the fun ingredient, we're gonna cook up some giant scallops. You want to dry off the scallop before you add them to the skillet. You don't want any moisture on them. So don't squeeze them, but just pat them dry. So once the skillet's hot, add in a little bit of olive oil. When you add the scallops to the skillet, that's when you want to add some salt. Just go around in a circle. After about a minute, a nice golden brown. You can see the edges of them. Flip those, and then repeat for the remaining scallops. So before we put our bowl together, we are gonna make a really quick garlicky tahini lemon dressing that I just love. Super easy to whip up. First, we're gonna add in a little bit of tahini. Then we're gonna take some of our roasted garlic cloves here. We're gonna add these in there. Then we'll add a pinch of salt, some black pepper. Then we're gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. Gonna hit it with a splash of olive oil as well, and a little bit of cold water. And if you need more water, just continue to add in water until you reach your desired consistency. Quick taste, see what it needs. Oh man, that's good. You know, everything is pretty much cooled down now. Now let's put together the salad, sprinkle in our freekeh, our roasted vegetables, and then we're just gonna gently toss everything together. Beautiful. Add it to a bowl for our plant-based warriors. And for the Mediterranean seafood lovers, an abundant scallop bowl. Which bowl are you? All right, Jesse, I have never been so ready for a taste test than today, man. I love abundance bowls, but I love a tahini dressing, and I know all these flavors are gonna be hidden. Oh, here we go.
It's gonna be good.
Man,
you knew it was gonna be good.
it's so good, I'm telling you. This is my go-to. You gotta try it. Get your freak on. Get your freak on.
You don't need to eat it. I can eat it.
You gonna eat it? You gonna eat it for us?
I can eat it, yeah.
Okay, you can eat it for us? All right. I know y'all are gonna love this recipe. If you like videos like this, and I invite you to smash that like button below. Hey, and if you wanna know whenever we post hot new content, all you gotta do is ring that bell so that way you can be notified. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I want you to keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Get your freak on!